Welcome to Lifters Club. As you know, Leonidas Arcona has an exceptional level of strength and physique. Although he resembles a bodybuilder, he is actually a powerlifter and an arm wrestler. Previously, he had a higher body fat percentage, but in recent years, he has focused more on appearance-oriented training and nutrition. In his recent video, he attempted a remarkable performance in the dumbbell press. He had 238 pounds or 108 kilos of dumbbells in each hand. The heaviest dumbbell commonly found in most gyms is 135 pounds or 60 kilos. Leonidas tried to perform reps in this set and managed to do 4 reps. Some of the reps were assisted, but it was still incredibly impressive for him to accomplish this with such a low body fat percentage. People who witnessed his set started watching him with admiration. Dumbbell press is more challenging compared to the regular bench press with a barbell. This is because factors like balance and coordination come into play. That's it for the video. If you liked the video, make sure to like and subscribe.